Hi everyone, today is August 13th, 2018. Now let's take a look at the price of the Bitcoin today. Yesterday we had a bottom short region in the video. No, 5,900 at the bottom and the 6,400 at the top. We were especially referring to Bitcoin's fall to this point, and from yesterday's K-line chart, both the MACD and KDJ indicators showed signs of a short exhaustion. But we also highlighted yesterday that the pressure around 6,400 is still relatively high, so there is no significant upside in short term. So yesterday when the coin was near 6,400, your correct action probably is to sell it. Since we didn't wait for the chance of the currency falling back to around 6,000 last night, the whole thing wasn't any condition for us to buy. But today Bitcoin's overall decline nation was relatively large, even breaking through the bottom, which is around 5,900. And now that the price of the coin is below the bottom line we have drawn yesterday, so it is a good time for us to buy at this time. We can adjust the K line to the 1 hour level now. From the 1 hour level, we can see that the break of Bitcoin today was mainly between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. in the morning. The two 1 hour large falling line appear to be gradually released. We can also see that the short trend is very strong. Around this level, we have stressed many times before that you need to set up your own buying and selling conditions for both short and middle term investment. Even if we are now going to do hunt and bargain and high selling on the very short period, how about the bargain at around $6,000? In terms of a K-line shape, it is also necessary to form the bottom of the platform, like from August 11 to August 12. In other words, the bulls needs to restore the average system at this level through the fluctuation. At the very least, it will take both the MA6 and MA18 at this time level to form a long condition. As for the time period, it depends on how long the deal will take. But we have observed that the currency is not operating at the level where shorts are falling in strength. So you can't buy at this time, even at the same price. If you buy at the wrong time, the deal doesn't count. For example, the price around 5 a.m. on August 11 is actually the same as that around August 12, but it is wrong for you to buy on August 11, but you need to wait until about August 12 to buy again, because the average line here has almost been repaired. So during this condition, people who wants to cope with very short operation also need to wait. You probably need to wait until the price of the currency in a 1 hour level to form a long shape for entering the market. We then switch the K line to the daily level. From the K line chart here, we can see that MA6 and MA18 are now still operating in a short trend. So as an intermediate investor, you still need to stay on the sidelines since the risk and reward ratio here is not cost effective. This is not the starting point for middle term investors. Whether you are doing short-term operation or long-term investment, the buying and selling criteria for your investment model hasn't changed. What is changing is that you choose a K line for different time periods according to your investment circle. If you are doing a short investment, then you need to look a little bit at the time circle. If you're doing the middle term or the long term investment, then you should at least look at the day level to see if there is a long run. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.